Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the new concept transversal. Okay, last class we saw that adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles. So now we are going to see the new concept transversal. Okay, so in transversal, what is transversal? Yes, a transversal is a line. Transversal is a line that intersects two lines at distinct points. Here transversal is a line. Transversal is a line that intersects two lines at distinct points. So here M and N are two lines. M1 line, N1 line. The two lines intersect, the line L is intersect the two lines at distinct points. This line here 1 point, here 1 point. It will not intersect two or more points. Distinct points means at only 1 point. Intersect at distinct points. So this line L is called the transversal. Line L is called transversal. Okay, what is transversal? A transversal is a line that intersects two lines at distinct points. Two lines at distinct points. So this line is called transversal. Okay, when the two parallel lines, when the transversal intersect the two lines, 8 angles are formed. The 8 angles are formed. See, the two lines intersect the line L. Here how many angles? Angle 1, here angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Totally 8 angles are formed. So normally one line, so intersect another line, 4 angles only is formed. Okay, the same, the two lines, the transversal intersect, it is formed, 8 angles are formed. Okay, now we are going to see about this 8 angles. Listen, in the 8 angles, do you see that angle 1 and angle 2 is what? Last class we saw that, yes, angle 1 and angle 2 is linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 is linear pair. Angle 3 and 4 also linear pair. 5 and 6 also linear pair. 7 and 8 also linear pair. So these two angles are adjacent angles and linear pair. These two angles also adjacent angles and linear pair. The same. Next, angle 1 and angle 3, do you see that? What is angle 1 and angle 3? Yes, vertically opposite angles. Last class we saw that, no? When two lines are intersect, the opposite angles are vertically opposite angles. Angle 2 and 4 is vertically opposite angles. Angle 7 and 5 is vertically opposite angles. Angle 6 and 8 is vertically opposite angles. So, when transversal intersect the two lines, we get adjacent pairs, linear pairs and vertically opposite angles. Like the same, newly we are going to study this corresponding angles. What? Corresponding angles. So what is corresponding angles? See, first angle 1 and 5. Angle 1 and 5 are marked at right side of the transversal. Right side of the transversal. L is the transversal. L right side only is marked angle 1 and angle 5. And it's lie above the line MN. So, it's marked right side of the transversal and it's marked above the line M and N. So, these two angles are called corresponding angles. Like the same, see angle 2 and angle 6, it is also marked left side of the transversal. It is also marked left side of the transversal. It is also above the line M and N. Above the line M and N. So, this two, angle 2 and 6 also, it is corresponding angles. Okay. Next, see angle 4 and angle 8. angle 4 and angle 8, it's marked right side of the transversal, but it marked below the line M1. It's marked below the line M, it is marked below the line N. So angle 4 and angle 8 are transversal lines, angle 4 and angle 8. Next, see angle 3 and angle 7, it is also marked left side of the transversal below the line M, below the line N. So this is 3 and 7 are called transversal or called corresponding angles. Okay, so whenever the two parallel lines transversal intersect, the corresponding angles are equal. Angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. If angle 1 is 120, angle 5 also 120. So angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. The same. Left side above the line is what are the angle? Yes, angle 2 and angle 6. So this also it is equal. This also is called corresponding angles. This also equal. Next, angle 3 and angle 7. It is below the line MN. It is marked left side of the transversal. So these angles are called corresponding angles. It is equal. Next, angle 4 and angle 8. It is also marked right side of the transversal, lie below the line M and N. So these angles are equal. So what is corresponding angles? All these pairs of angles have different vertices, lie on the same side of the transversal. Lie on the same side. Same side means it is lie on the right side or left side. If 1 is lie on the right side, 5 also right side. So 2 is left side, 6 also left side. So angle 3 right side, angle 7 also right, like that. That only same side. Same side of the transversal lie above or below the lines M and N. It is lie above or below the lines M and N. So such pairs are called corresponding angles. So what is corresponding angles? Yes, what are the pairs? It's lie on same side of the transversal and it's lie above or below the line. It's called corresponding angles. That pairs is called corresponding angles. Next we will see the alternate interior angles. What is alternate interior angle? So alternate interior angles is called 3 and 5, 6 and 4. Why it is called? So alternate interior angles always lie opposite of the transversal. This is the transversal. So opposite of the transversal and it lie between LM. It's lie between M and N. It's lie between M and N. Okay, if not lie above, it's lie between M and line M and N. So what is alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles, it's opposite of the transversal and it is lying between lines M and N. Lying between lines M and N. So angle 3 and angle 5 are opposite. So angle 4 and angle 6 are opposite. So alternate interior angles, first pair is angle 4 and angle 6, next angle 3 and angle 5. This also equal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 because it is alternate interior angles. How do you identify alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles, it's lie between line M and N and opposite of the transversal. Now we are going to see the alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior angles, angle 1 and 7, angle 2 and 8. So how we say that this is alternate exterior angles? Yes, alternate exterior angles are marked opposite of the transversal and is lying outside of the lines MN. So alternate interior is lying inside of the line between MN. It comes, alternate exterior comes outside of the line M and N, are called alternate exterior angles. Next, we are going to see that same side of the transversal. What is same side of the transversal? See, angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6. It is same side of the transversal. This is the transversal. The transversal same side, what is that? Yes, angle 3 and angle 6. So, angle 3 and 6, angle, this side angle 4 and 5. These pairs is lying same side of the transversal and between the line MN. So, this is called the angles same side of the transversal. The angle same side of the transversal. Next, angle 2 and 7, angle 1 and 8. It is also is lying between, yes, line MN, but it is also same side of the transversal. Angle 2 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 8. It is also same side of the transversal, lying outside of the lines MN. So this is called interior same side of the transversal. This is called exterior same side of the transversal. Okay, this is 3 and 6, 4 and 5 pairs called same side of the transversal interior. 2 and 7, 1 and 8 are same side of the transversal exterior. So now in transversal, what are the angles we study? Yes, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Now we will see the example 5.8. Name the angles that correspond to 1. Name the angles that correspond to 1. So correspond to 1, what is that? This is right side of the transversal. So right side of the transversal above the line M, what is? 5. So 1 correspond is 5. So the angle that correspond to 1 is angle 5. Next, they name the angle that alternate interior to angle 3. So angle 3 is there. What is alternate interior? Alternate interior means is opposite. Transversal opposite. So 3 opposite is 5. So 3 opposite is 5. So here the angle that is alternate interior to 3 is angle 5. Next, name the angle that is alternate exterior to 8. Alternate exterior to 8. So angle 8. What is this exterior opposite? Yes, here outside. It's lying outside. It's outside of the transversal and opposite to the transversal. So angle 2 is opposite to angle 8. So angle 8 exterior is angle 2. Next, the angle that corresponds to angle 8. So angle 8 corresponding angle is what? It's angle 4. So the angle corresponds to 8 is angle 4. Next, name the angle that alternate exterior to angle 7. Alternate exterior to angle 7. Exterior means it's lie outside of the line MN. So 7 opposite. Alternate means it's opposite. Angle 1. So the angle that alternate exterior to angle 7 is angle 1. The angle that is alternate interior to angle 6. Alternate interior to angle 6 is 6 opposite is 4. So angle 6 is angle 4. Next, exercise 5.2. Question number 1 is homework. Okay, so you have to mark the angles, pairs of angles, and name that angles. Okay, if angle 1 and angle 2 is what angle, you have to write and write their name, write the angles and write their name. So angle 2, exercise question number 2, find the measure of angle x in each of the following figures. So already I told. So the alternate interior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal. See here, this and this are corresponding angles. So what is this angle is 35, x also 35. So like that you have to find this also. So here these two are, yes, corresponding angles, right side of the transversal. So this is 65, this also 65. So you have to work out question number 1 and 2 as homework. I think you will understand, students. You have to see again and again clearly and write the answers properly. Okay, do you understand? Today what we saw that is corresponding angles, transversal, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and alternate same side of the transversal. Thank you. Have a nice day.